So one of the things that you can do is you can go ahead and import out contents inside of Jotboard as well. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that add image is an option. So here you can drag a file, or you can browse a file, or search images in Google Images. Let me just go to browse image right here, and I'm going to go around over here and select an image file and click on open. Then what happens is that that particular image will be uploaded and you will be able to see it right here, just like this. So it's loading. So now you can simply go ahead and resize it, place it wherever you want right here as you want. So I seem to have imported it 2 times. So I can delete one, and then I can go ahead and rotate it, place it wherever I want. Apart from that, I can go around over here onto add image and go for Google Images as well. So let's say, for example, over here, I'm going to say royalty free scene right here, just like this. Let's say, for example, so there's some sceneries that you can go ahead and click right here, and that particular image will be downloaded from Google Image and will be inserted right here. So it seems like 2 got inserted. Let me just go ahead and delete 1. So this is basically what you have, and this is how you can go ahead and import out images for you to keep in Jotboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.